Yo, what's up, guys? We got the Lakers versus Sixers today. I really wanted to watch this. I am a little sick today. As y'all seen in the videos earlier and yesterday, I was very sick. Still feeling it, not feeling the greatest. So if the energy's a little low, just know that my head's spinning while I'm watching this. There was 5 NBA games today, but I'm doing this one, and then if I'm up later for that Clippers, I really want to react to that Clippers Nuggets game. I'm gonna try to, but it just depends if I fall asleep or not and how I'm feeling later. Also Monday Night Football, but those other games, luckily it was the Wizards and Pistons, I believe, which is very skippable game. Same with Pacers, Trailblazers, and then Jazz play someone, so I think the Pelicans, so I really don't care for those other games. So luckily, on a day that I'm not feeling it and not feeling too great, there isn't that many games at all, and the games aren't that good, but this is one that we had to react to. Lakers down in the first quarter again, like how they always are. So yeah, man, I did want to come here and react to this, and then I'll try to do that Clippers game later. We'll see. And then tomorrow, hopefully I'm feeling good enough to do all the games that are tomorrow. We'll see how many games are tomorrow and all that, and which games there are plays. Yeah, not feeling the greatest, but let's get into this game. I had to watch this one for sure. Lakers don't verse too many good people so far this season, so when they verse good teams, gotta watch it. They're without Cam Reddish still. Did they get Rui back? I know Rui was hurt. And Marcus Morris. You really get a minute. Beverly, Batum, Morris, the Clippers getting on the Sixers. And there's still no Gabe Vincent. What? Gabe Vincent's injured. I saw Jalen Hurts is at this game. Okay. I've gotten some minutes.
Just across the parking lot from the Wells Fargo Center. Great look down to Reeves, who lays it up and in.
They are.
To Beverly. Already got 2
Beverly. Okay.
Has a new season high, and we still have 8.
Of course he does. He's been trash this season. He was carrying him. Yeah. Jose D probably has 2 points right now.
7 points for LeBron, and the assist to Christian Wood.
Is it one where AD probably has 2 points, right?
Anthony Melton. Smart move. Marcus Morris. So smart from the SoCal native Anthony Melton, who we found out last year before the Sixers played the Lakers, as Chrissy hits the jumper.
Going into the unknown, coming to a new city, obviously your hometown.
What?
What to expect. So early success goes a long way as LeBron knocks down that.
Team needs it's just a new role, so he's having to adjust mentally.
Lakers down 20. What is going on? Y'all are trash. Maxi. Bucket. Damn. Huh? What? A Christian.
To the tap out. Embiid straight on triple. Yes, sir. Travel. He thought about it.
They are 15.
And finally hits a 3 here tonight. 9 points for LeBron. 4 assists. Turns the corner on Covington.
LeBron.
Knocked away by LeBron James. Wow. Great defensive play.
D'Lo.
By LBJ. And Russell pays it off on the other. 6-second difference between the clocks here as this first half winds down. Russell, great pass to LeBron. Dalla?
If you say so.
Come on.
LeBron James right to the cup, starting Lakers off.
Nip that in the bud. You don't want to make that an extensive run.
Great look from Batum down to Embiid.
Yeah.
Really
Elbow. Tobias didn't want to go middle because he would invite the double team.
LeBron off the window.
Come on.
Here's Max Christie.
Those are rare.
D'Lo. Back to Prince. Wow.
And now this time from the other wing. Torian.
It's different as opposed to the 2 open looks where he knocked him down.
Catch and shoots the Anthony Melton. It's good. 14th triple tonight for the Sixers.
Speaking of good quick hitting action there.
And Russell lays it up and in.
Alright, Lakers getting back in it.
You don't want him to go.
I mean,
This is how the Lakers always do this shit. And then they lose in the end. It's just not enough. But we'll see if they can get back in this one. Anthony Melton. Embiid versus AD. Embiid versus AD.
to a standing ovation. Left hand no from Harris.
Good look again. Sixers able to get to the basket when they want.
Prince again from outside, and he is the
Huh?
one Lake. 94-76. Sixers leading Russell and the Lakers. Russell up.
Lakers like the Cowboys, bro. They don't be good teams.
Russell
They
ahead.
like the Cowboys.
Back to
That was
Prince.
just funny.
Downhill, up and
Huh?
in. for Torian Prince.
Didn't LeBron say they're the Steelers or something?
Morris Sr.
Yeah, embarrassing. That may be good comparison.
Is Marcus tonight. To the Lakers starting lineup for the injured Cam Reddish. Tyrese Maxey. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Making 18 threes for the Sixers tonight.
The defenders,
Damn.
Maxey open there.
They're spanking them!
No.
Oh, I think the Lakers are going back into this one.
As well to follow it up.
Jesus, what happens when y'all were good teams, Lakers? But AD had like 4 points, bro. Doom! Fourth quarter, you watch! Why LeBron still in right now? Get him some rest, bro.
Morris
He's
Sr.
probably out now, right?
No look.
Should be.
See the Reed spin.
Hope he's done.
And the hook shot from Paul Reed.
Oh, took him out, right? Yo, this shit's over. It's over. I'm out of here. Heavy dismantle. Lakers frauds, man.